right, it's been a while since I've done anything with VHS, so somebody who's reached out to me a couple different times asked me to do another tape for them. So we're going to run this through the Mold Assassin and see what we can, if we can get it to a point where it's able to be captured on a VHS player. So here we go. Yeah, here's what we got. So it's pretty nasty stuff. So anybody who's seen the Mold Assassin video knows that I'll run it through a UV light first to kill any of the mold spores if there's anything that's still alive in there. And then, of course, I'm doing this outside with a mask. Don't want to take any chances on that, but let's see what we can do. Okay, so this one has a security bit, so we're just going to drill it out. That should... Yeah, I think we're good. I may have even saved the thread. We'll see shortly. Okay, for the rest of it, just standard Phillips. Let's see. There, so that's what we're looking like in there. So we're going to put that under the UV light. Okay, so the next step will be to put this in the UVC chamber and let it sit under the light to kill any of the mold spores. So we'll put it there and then make sure that's turned on. And it is. So we'll let it sit under there for probably about 10 minutes. Okay, so this has been in here long enough. What we're going to do now is we're going to slowly unroll it before running it through the whole Mold Assassin. So, to do that, okay, so we're good. Slowly start this here. Take it as slow as I can so we can prevent ripping. I might have to go on the slower motor. All right, let's switch motors. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so this one's a much slower RPM. Hopefully to prevent tearing. So we will let that run and we'll come back to it. Okay, hey, I wanted to show you just how frail this was because I did have to trim a section out of this because it ripped as it was coming unwound, which I ran it at the slowest possible speed, which was, I mean, just crawling, and it still ripped. But this is why it is so moldy in there that I'm having to, on the back end of this, I'm gonna have to unroll it by hand and just do it slowly to prevent any more ripping. But I wanted to show you why the section ripped. It even started ripping doing it by hand. That's how much this is caked on there. I just wanted to show you. If you look at this, it's like it won't even, having to barely, I caught the second rip that was going to occur and taped it off, so it should have very minimal impact. But